Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, I was saying yesterday that this possibly is the end of a pullback right there. If that is the end of a pullback, then this needs to continue down, making lower lows, lower highs. If it does anything besides continue down and eventually give us this break of structure, then that could invalidate that being the end of the correction. We do have to realize that if we go up to the daily, we are definitely still within a very, very tight, very sideways rangy market, 100%. And it could possibly continue to be a rangy market. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, if this right here is the end of the correction, then this really cannot go up and break structure, in my opinion. It needs to not break structure. It needs to make either a rejection of structure or a lower high, and it needs to go down. That's if it is the end of a correction. The market can do whatever it wants to do. So if it does break structure, that's going to invalidate this being the end of a correction, and it's probably going to make a whole nother wave to the upside. And this possibly is like a wave A, this is a wave B, and then this is a wave C. So like I said, we're definitely still within a very tight range on the higher time frames, and it could possibly continue to veins, which is why I wanted to show everybody this possible ABC scenario. It all depends on whether it breaks structure. If it doesn't break structure, then I would definitely continue to be bearish. If it does break structure, then I would probably turn bullish for either a wave C or possibly a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.